When one of his friends was going through a divorce, Tim Hawkins offered him wise words. Don't go through this alone. His friend took note and began turning to his friends to help buoy his emotions and provide support. Too many times, people do the opposite and turn inward when facing difficulty. They attempt to deal with their emotions without input from other people. God created us, however, for community. When we allow trusted family and friends in, their input is often just the encouragement and strength we need to continue. As Edmund Lee stated, surround yourself with those who see the greatness within you, even when you don't see it yourself. I'm Mac Hammond, and this is the Winner's Minute.